Hi guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to set up Gradle with IntelliJ for OS X and Linux as well. So first thing first is you're going to have to download the latest release of Gradle. You can get it at gradle.org, and once you download it, it will be saved as a zip file, so you'll have to extract it, the directory, and you can put it wherever you like. I put it in my home directory in a folder called installations. There it is. And the binary is in this directory called bin. That's it. What you should do is in OS X you should add it to your environment. Now with Linux you would add it to a bash, your bash profile, and in Linux you would add these lines here. Well, and that's its Gradle, but you can. It's also a good idea to add the Android home variable to your path. And in OS X, you'll add it to what's that? To the launchd.conf file, and this is in that's in the etc. directory. So you'll add this variable, but it's also a good idea to add the Android home variable as well. So IntelliJ, so you don't have to constantly be setting the path to the SDK in IntelliJ. And then once you do that, and once you save it, you can either restart your machine or you just run this command in the command line. So, and that's it. Afterwards, you should be able to open a Gradle project without any difficulty. I'm going to show you. Just create one. In this case, make sure to select Gradle Android module or a Gradle project, but since we're developing with Android, a Gradle Android module. And make sure that if you choose an API, that choose one that you actually have downloaded and installed. Otherwise, Gradle will complain. And it takes a little bit. Forgive the background noise, but I am at a Starbucks. And I believe with Windows users, it's pretty much the same thing. You just have to add I think you can set it specifically in IntelliJ for Windows users where your Gradle binary is, and you can also add a path variable. I have to look into that. Jeez. Yay. Okay, finally. Yeah, and if you want to set it through the IDE, which I don't really recommend, but you can do it, is you go to Preferences in OS X. I think in Windows, it's probably under File Settings. And you go to Gradle, and you can specify a custom directory by selecting this and then navigating to where we have the Gradle bin folder. And that's it.